Hey, what's going on, Tyler? This is Joe. I'm sending this video to you as promised. Just want to point out a few things I did notice that will hopefully help you boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return, start bringing in those leads you're missing out on so you can continue to grow this awesome business, right? So first things first, Google loves content. Okay, content is king when it comes to Google. Super important that you have a lot of words on your home page and your back pages. For example, they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, right? Now, obviously, that's a lot of words. Very few people are going to read those words, all right? But Google is, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, a couple hundred words on their home page, right? So when we scroll, Google is reading these. They're counting the words. They're making sure it's good quality content. All right, they're only coming up with about 500 words. Okay, so I definitely recommend boosting that word count up to that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal, right? That Google likes to see. You can also add in keywords. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area, right? So definitely want to rank for as many as you can, right? Making it super easy for your potential customers to find your website, right? Another thing Google loves about top ranked websites is big built out websites. So the more pages you have on your website, the better. Okay, so if you could break down your services even more, that would be awesome, right? I think you're sitting at 8 pages right now. Okay, your competition has like a little over 20, I believe. Okay, so you're gonna want to add some more pages if you can. Okay, and then on your service pages, Google is still looking for content. They're looking for about 500, 700 words. Okay, and you're doing a good job. You're doing about 500 words on your service pages, right? So good work there, okay? Let's come over here and look at your competitor site, right? We can see right away that they have a big built-out website, right? About 20 pages. To beat them in this area of their website, you're going to want to come in here, count how many pages they have for sure. I think it's 20, and then add, 12 plus pages to your website, okay? On their service pages, they're doing only a couple hundred. Okay, so good work there. You're already, one step ahead of them as far as content on their back pages. Okay, and then on their home page, they're doing, I think, about the same amount as you. Right, so to separate yourself, make yourself look better than them, I would do that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal that Google likes to see. Okay, so pretty simple, right? Just add pages, and then on those pages, add good quality content. Okay. Next thing is going to be the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is. Everybody knows once you get here, your phone's going to start ringing off the hook, right? But not everybody knows how to get here. Okay, that's the tricky part. And how you get here is with a lot of high-star reviews, right? Good pictures, good business description, but most importantly, citations. Okay, and citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites like Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, bbb.org. All right, just to name a few. There are several citation websites out there. Okay, there's a tool that we use called WhiteSpark. Okay, you can use this tool as well. Basically, just type in the business name into the tool. It'll show you exactly how many citations they have. So let's say 40. That means that you need to go out there and get 50 citations to beat them. Okay, so definitely recommend doing that, going out there and getting those citations and building your Google My Business so it's ready to rank in these top 3, right? Once you scroll past the map pack, we get to the organic ranking. Okay, this is where the keywords come in. So here's a keyword right here at the top. Once you rank for this keyword, along with many others, your website's going to pop up at the top, making it super easy for whoever's searching for your services to find you, right? Now, obviously, that's where we want to see you at. Okay. Next thing is going to be backlinks, right? So backlinks are super important. This is what helps pass power to your website. You can have an awesome looking website, but if you don't have power from backlinks, your website's going to stay at the bottom of Google and nobody's ever going to see it. Okay, so that's where backlinks come in. That's why they're super important. As you can see, this is your competition's information. He has 42 websites pointing back to him through a clickable link. That is a backlink. Okay, to beat him here, you're going to want to go out there and get double this amount. So 80 plus good quality websites to point back to you. Okay. You can also see how many keywords he has, 106 keywords, right, which is really good. We definitely want to rank for as many keywords as we can. and he's doing just that, right? So because he's doing everything right, mostly, all right, except for his website. His website could use some work, but since he's doing mostly everything right, he's bringing in 65 leads per month to his website, right? Now, what would that do for your business if you could get 65 leads per month, right? Just by ranking on top of Google. Okay, even if you could get half of those, I'm sure it would really help your business, right? If we come over here and look at your information, right, we can see the numbers have changed, right? You only have 24 websites pointing back to you. Okay, we need to get this up to 80. 11 keywords, right? We need to get this up to at least 100. Okay, and since you're doing everything you're doing right now, you're only bringing in 0 leads per month compared to his 65 leads per month, right? So definitely shows you that being on the top of Google can have this potential for your website as well. And he's doing it, right? So why can't you, right? But that's it for this video. Just wanted to share those 3 things with you: content, citations, and backlinks. I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any more questions. Call or text 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing back from you. See what you thought about the video. I'll call you Monday. Make sure you got the video. Hopefully get some feedback then. But other than that, thanks for watching and have a great day.